US $20,000 GoFundMe launched for late Jodian Fearon.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes!
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So for the first time, you check out the Chaddy More TV. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. And if for the first time, you check me out on Facebook, big up yourself. Make sure you follow the page. So the Jamaican people, them kind of have a mixed feelings in Jodian Fearon mother launching a $20,000 US GoFundMe. Now, $20,000 US is kind of a lot to me still. But then again, you can't put a price on life. We know said Jodian Fearon, she have an untimely death, wherein she did pregnant and them a transport her all of the hospital them in Jamaica to find somebody to take her in, but none of the hospital them won't take her in until she end up and dead, because she was suspected of having the deadly virus COVID-19, and because of that, none of the hospital them never want to take her in. Me sure you know the story. It's been in the news for quite some time now. But her mother, Portia Green Harton, has took her initiative to launch a GoFundMe account. Now, she kinda get a bag of backlash from the media, because the people must say, yo, why the hell you need to launch a GoFundMe account for her, and then you launch a GoFundMe account for $20,000 US. And she said she wanted to aid the legal fees and some other little something for support the family. Now, $20,000 US that is equivalent to, let me tell you right here, because me have it up on Google. So that's 2.9 million Jamaican dollar, and that's according to Google. You know, say it might different based on the exchange rate and how much I get it from them thing there. But $2.9 million, I mean, it may look like it's enough or it enough, but then again, you have to understand, Jodian Fearon dead, and Jodian Fearon dead a type of way where it's unfortunate, and I feel say no human being should have dead so because of the government and because of them refusing her in the hospitals and stuff. But I guess social media don't really like that. Yo, you know, say you have some savage people on the media still. So we are going at the comment section and tell away social media have to say and read out some of these comments. So one person said, nice girl, gonna grow up without a mommy, pains my heart. Another person said, oh my god, this is something I'll never forget. Baby girl sweet like her mommy. R.I.P. Jody. I pray your mom will get all the help she need. But as what me telling you, Jamaicans has mixed feelings, and them they are just a handful of the good comment them. Now we have to balance the thing. Me gonna read out some of the bad comment them. Now Nancy comment and say, and people on the brace on yourself. Really now, and money shall look fi go buy name brand wig, shoes and clothes. Lady, get away and move yourself. I saw when people dead uno capitalize on them debt and try scam people. Lady, I empathize with you, but move and go away. Where you take Jamaican people for? I use your daughter debt for scam money. Now the comment they kinda harsh. Now this person comment and say, wish them all the best. I hate when I get involved in a case and so attached to it, and then the same people turn me cold. This girl lost her life because of negligence, and I know the family will need a lawyer and stuff. But why we must find 20,000 US for this? Then uno go ask us for privacy, and he put a question mark. So I think what get people upset is because Jodian Fearon family asked for privacy. So people, I try to balance the thing. I try to read some of the comments them were good and some of the comments them were bad. Because you know Jamaican people stay, I mean you know human beings stay. Them always are gonna have negative to say, and some people always are gonna have positive to say. So this is what me want you to do now. Tell me what you think about this topic in the comment section. Tell me what you think about Jodian Fearon mother starting a GoFundMe in her behalf. Because enough people that said to say when did ask the government for privacy, ask Jamaican for privacy. But then again, you have to understand this and how everything they go down. If them they need a little privacy, you have to understand. But tell me what you think in the comment section below. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topic we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way, any other way, the wrong way.